Musi vachikufindula mbudziso phalamenndeni, Tshanda tsha phuresidennde Vho-David Mabuza wamba nga chimo cha mtakalo wavo.
I'm sure the House have seen me in different occasions out there performing my duties as Deputy President. What I can say is that as a person concerned, I'm grateful with the progress that I've made up to so far with regards to my health.
Mabuza bado wamba nga kampani ya mdagasi ya Eskom kati na zvikolodo zwa bimasipala.
Eskom continues to implement various levers to improve its internal efficiencies and ensure that it reduces its cost structure while enhancing capabilities to deliver on plant maintenance and new build programs to keep the lights on. Currently, as we speak, we've got more than 20 municipalities that accounts for 38 billion debt to Eskom. This includes the known Maluti-Apofong municipality. Now, we've been frequenting to Maluti-Apofong together with Eskom, and finally there were court judgments that were passed. Now, these court judgments were saying Eskom must take over the distribution of electricity in Maluti-Apofong.
Mabuza vari auna plani ya ntia mvuso ya urengisa kampani ya mdagasi ya Eskom. Wadawambori mabindu wa mvuso ate ubindudza adi misanga one ane uri asizwelo toda mashirini kha mvuso uri akono uchimbila.